Welcome back to my channel. Today we will have an exciting topic that will help you stand out on Twitter: optimizing your Twitter profile. With the help of ChatGPT, we'll show you how to create a captivating bio, come up with attention-grabbing headlines for your tweets, and discover the perfect hashtags to make your profile shine. So let's dive in. Before we optimize your Twitter profile, it is essential to define its purpose. Whether you're using Twitter for personal or professional reasons, be clear about who you are and what you do. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and refine your profile's purpose, ensuring it aligns with your goals and resonates with your target audience. Your Twitter bio is your chance to make a memorable first impression. Use ChatGPT to generate creative and concise descriptions that capture your personality or highlight your expertise. Experiment with different writing styles, inject humor, and include keywords relevant to your niche. Remember, brevity is key, so make every word count. Tweets with attention-grabbing headlines are more likely to stand out in the fast-paced Twitter feed. ChatGPT can be your partner in creativity, helping you come with catchy headlines that entice your followers to click, retweet, and engage with your content. Experiment with different formats such as questions, bold statements, or intriguing facts. Hashtags are like magnets that attract users interested in specific topics. Use ChatGPT to discover relevant hashtags that align with your profile's purpose and target audience. Incorporate both popular and niche hashtags to increase the discoverability of your tweets. Additionally, ChatGPT can suggest trending hashtags to keep your profile up to date. Twitter is a platform where your unique personality can shine. Use ChatGPT to explore different ways to infuse your tweets with your personal touch. Whether it's through humor, storytelling, or distinctive writing style, let your authenticity and individually shine through your tweets. This will help you connect with your followers on a deeper level. A well-optimized Twitter profile is not just about self-promotion, it's about building a relationship with your community. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas for engaging conversations, reply to comments, and participate in relevant discussions. Remember, the more you interact with your audience, the more likely they are to engage with your profile in return. Congratulations! With the help of ChatGPT, you now have the tools to optimize your Twitter profile and leave a lasting impression on your followers. Craft an engaging bio, create attention-grabbing headlines, utilize relevant hashtags, showcase your personality, and actively engage with your community. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you'll boost your Twitter presence to create a memorable online persona. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more social media optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.